All right, good morning. Good morning. It is September 12th, first day of the week. A lot of news happening this week. Um, let's look at the chart. Right now it's hitting up 8:30. No news for today though, but for the week, there's a lot of stuff happening. Look at this. You got CPI tomorrow, PPI Wednesdays, core retail sales Thursday, and unemployment claims. And then this other high impact news, the preliminary consumer sentiment. So today, nothing much happening. When you look at the charts, this is the monthly chart. You can see that it's pretty much just consolidating for the last since June. Pretty volatile, giving some nice ranges, but yeah, just pretty overall like on a weekly time frame chop, but see this downtrend, larger bearish candle. So, anyways, on the weekly, we hit maybe this possible resistance and lined up with the August 29th week. But if we break that high, clean candles right here, just to go up, all the way up, looking pretty good there. Even on the daily, we did a nice retracement. I don't see some weakness yet based off Friday. It looks pretty good. But if we do get some rejections, and I guess this would be the lower high, for those that, use a trend line, I already broke it. Actually, no, yeah, right? So maybe it's creating a lower high, and then we'll just continue bearish. All depends. Basically, these are my zones. This is the week daily high. You can see we're on the daily chart. I'm right this yet white as a yellow because it's a weekly high. Down to the 1 hour, still just making going up, a little pullback, going up, a little pullback. There's really no trade to short this because I mean if we short below this, it's only like a 35-point move. Really depends. There's a support right here. Might some hesitation here might occur. So what I might actually do is wait for the 30-minute to maybe show a bullish candle, and I'll take buys at support to go up, or I'll even take buys above here at 32,350. And this is the one that had a clean traffic based off the 4 hour. Look at that. That would be beautiful. But to be honest, I think maybe it might just consolidate today and then continue upwards tomorrow. We'll see. That was 30 minute. Here you go. Right. So it is pretty clean to the drop. I get to charts around 8 a.m. and there's nothing showing right now. Um, Possible short here, but we already stepped away from the resistance, so I'm not gonna chase that trade. That was at 8 a.m. This is an 8 a.m. 30-minute candle. So let's see if it holds support. Actually, here you might get it's pretty clean over here. Pretty clean. I'm gonna wait for a closure below this. Maybe if it happens at 9:30, I might take a short other and do a quick profits because I feel I might do a quick drop and then go back up. Um, but yeah, where's the brush tool? Here. So basically, I think this will make a support and go all the way back up, or we will have a closure like that. That's pretty ugly. Yeah, closure, and then we'll just continue downwards, right? Or not, maybe not even all the way down. It honestly might just go like maybe 80, maybe even 50 points, then it'll wake back up. So we'll be mindful of that, and just gonna change this, transfer my zones onto MetaTrader. That's it. We'll wait. No trades right now as we look at the 30-minute. We're basically approaching support right here. So, we'll see how they look at 9 a.m. when the 4 hour candle closes, and then again at 9:30 when the market opens. All right. So 4 a.m. candle. See here on when we're on the 4 hour chart. 9 a.m. just closed. And basically we got a nice a strong bearish candle compared to all the previous bearish candles that we had. We can see it's pretty bullish, bullish, small bearish, and now we have a bearish candle. So this might wake up and then continue to break the low. And then, yeah, it might, maybe at the open, it might just drop all the way down here to the support for about 100 points maybe. So looking pretty, maybe it'll be bearish. The daily, yeah, if it breaks that low, the bearish candle will turn bear. The daily candle will turn bearish, and we can see that it's respecting that previous resistance. So it makes sense. And on the daily, it's clean traffic to the left, right? I mean, basically could drop all the way back another 1100 points. So that's 4 hour, 1 hour. Looking at, see, so nice liquidity grab here maybe, and it's maybe go up a little bit, but we'll see what happens at 9:30. Still no signs for a trade. Just gonna sit and wait. Right here, yeah, I changed my color scheme, and that's because one video that I watched from the moving average, he said, just change your charts to be neutral colors because automatically our body's toned, accustomed to, red means stop, red means bad, green means go, green means good, blue means good. So I just went neutral color, see how this makes me feel. Maybe helps me become less emotional. Other things also just, take the risk, use half risk, always use risk less. Um, and here you can see on even MetaTrader, I've also changed my color scheme. So, you know, maybe things will work out. Things might work out in a good way, right? So we'll see. See what happens. Um, so yeah. We'll wait till 9:30. Right now the 30-minute, it's not safe to take this trade because even though we got a 30-minute bullish candle, you got resistance right here, which isn't much. It breaks this high, which it's doing right now. 17 points, you're risking 30. Could go all the way up there, but it's messy. Even like 1 hour, it's messy. So we'll just wait. We'll just continue to wait and see where a good trade can come in. All right, so we got 1 minute left for the market opens, and here on the 30, all right, you can see that there isn't much happening. Staying in a range, higher high, higher low. Maybe we'll break this. We got 30 seconds, and I don't think that the market will just pop off with no news or anything. So I'm gonna wait for a closure above this area and then take buys above because otherwise this is a movement of 86 points without news, just open. So here we go on MT5, 50-minute candle. Nothing. No news. Nothing's happening. Okay, you can see here on. Nothing's happening, man. As I said, right here there was a stop of about 37 points. You take in, there's a possible resistance here. It went up 41 points, 39, just one trade. Not really ideal. Right? That was a risky buy. You can see that. About 36, 40. Yeah, I mean, it moved, but really your TP would have been here, about 22. We don't know. It actually went up to here, which is okay, but risky trade. And I ain't taking those. Nothing happened. Pause. All right, so 3 seconds. All right, new 15 minutes. So 9:45 candle just closed right in the zone. If you look at a 30-minute, so far respecting that resistance. 1 hour, nice strong bullish. Might as well wait to see how this 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute candle all close. 4 hour. It's not a small candle. It's not a small bearish candle, so we don't know. We really don't know. So here on the 1 hour is basically gonna go up. There's that 15-minute. See now here with the 15-minute, you got resist here. It's at 61. We'll probably take a 65. No, I can't. Thinking of taking impulse entries, but I can't because there's no news. We see how slow it moved. It took 15 minutes to move 88 points. It could take longer. Gotta use 30-minute stop. I'd rather wait another 15 minutes. See how this 1 hour, 30, and 15-minute candle will close. And then, probably take some trades above that blue line. Right? Because remember, this blue line is this area right here. And to the left of that, it's just clean up to here, like 300 points. But it's a resistance, and a 15-minute confirmation is not enough. 30-minute, 1 hour confirmation is much better, right? So typically, what I might have done is take half risk. Right? Here around like 65, 32, 365. It stops below the current candle. 46-point risk. Obviously to make like plus 300. But I'd enter with half risk if I was, but I'm gonna wait till closures because we never know. Look at this 5-minute time frame. Yeah, 5 minute went up, dropped all the way down, then went bullish. I've got a plan for this. If it pops up, fills, and takes off, it's okay. Because that's not within my plan, man. It can't be taking this kind of trade. Cannot. But ultimate TP is 420 points. Oh, there you go. Take off. All right. Okay. Let's just mark it. See. Five. And this is why I don't take impulse entries when there's no news or anything. Look at that. I would be shitting myself. Put it on sorry, MT5. Right, broke the high. Shooting down 35 points. And if I were to manage trade risk, I gotta hold for the whole 5 minutes. Now, I think if this does re-break its high, it's a bit more safer to take a buy. So that's 75. Let's do 80. There you go. We should get closures above it. keep a 60. Right. If it takes forever to break this high, that's even better. We'll wait, we'll get that closure on the 10-minute, I mean the 15, 30, and 1 hour, and yeah, a better confirmation, especially if it closes above. Let's see, I feel like entering just half risk. If this breaks the current high, I'll enter half risk. And then I'll add the other half on the next candle once I see the confirmation from the 30-minute and the 1 hour closure. All right, gonna place my buy stops in 60 points. Managing with magic keys. Let's see. 5-minute looking good. If we break that high, we're good. See 5-minute close bullish. The next 5-minute to break the high, and we'll watch. Eight minutes. Definitely looks like it's pushing off. So if I enter with what is it? The half risk, I'd get about 1,500 if it goes all the way. Partial, which is great. But we are going. Wait. We got 2.5 point risk. Wait. Let's see what happens. You can see on Trading View, we get that closure. In the last 5 minutes or 2 minutes, the candle could just wick all the way down. Oh, all right, there we go. So we are in. Reset my partial profits. Is in there? There you go. All right. So the next position, we are going to risk the other half risk if we get a nice setup. All right, so that's at 85. Let's see, 90. Where's a 90? Just documenting right now. This trade was taking at 9.52 for a buy. Setup is a impulse on all time frames. Break of the current 15-minute high. So now I'm thinking for the next trade, I might just enter here with stops all the way here, but if it does a flip or a little wick down, that will be my current stop loss. right? And I am going to wait the whole 5 minutes. Look at my rules down here on TradingView, man. I did my review. Wait for 5 minutes no matter what. If I take 100% loss, 100% loss. I'm done closing emotionally. Here. See? So now it probably doesn't even make sense for me to add the remaining half of this position. Because you look at a 30, man, this thing dropped. So, oh, the other thing is if this 30-minute, 1 hour close without a wick, if it wicks down and then flips bullish, that's the possibility for me to re-add the remaining 50%. If I don't get that, then, I only enter with half risk, which is not bad. If I make money, I'm part of the top 10%. All right, so 5-minute bullish, looking good. This is a high of, yeah, see, if I took the impulse trade, I would have been 36 points. Yeah, I don't even know how I could take this trade, man. I'm thinking now, this 5-minute closes, holy sheesh. Like, it's probably almost not even worth it. 30, 40. This is, I'm telling you, just cleaning that thing to the left, man. Let's see, we got 5 minutes. Let's see on TradingView. See, I'm getting emotional right now because it's taken off. This shit is taking off, and I'm seeing 40 points in profit, and I haven't secured anything. But it's just so clean, so clean. Like, it's all black handles. There's no indication to close. We got 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes. Cannot close early. We gotta hold for 5 minutes. 5 minutes of freaking long ass time, man. Let me tell you. 5 minutes of long ass. Yeah, there's no way I'm gonna be entering the remaining. I don't know. Let's see. This 30-minute. This is how the 30-minute candle looks like. I mean, with the open. Oh wow, 50 points. With the open, it closed. It makes me want to close at 50, but I feel like I did 60. I'm gonna stop loss. 61. No, 5-minute rule. I'm thinking of just closing at 50 points, but shit, man, emotions are so hard. I can't believe it. I mean, look at that. Come on, tap it. Yes. I followed the plan, and it worked. Secured 60 points on that trade. All right. Made, oh, you can't see, but hundreds doesn't matter. The dollars don't matter. It's a percentage, and I made the percentage that I need. So yeah, really, there is no point of me. I can't unless we get a lower wick. Oh, this moves so much. We got 20 seconds on the 15. There's still obvious potential for this thing to go up. 39. Let's do like 45. I want a lower wick. Okay, so here 1 hour close with no wick, 30-minute no wick, 15-minute no wick. Let's go with a lower wick. If this shit turns bullish, this will be my current stop loss, and we will take buys. Right? I mean, so that's what happens with the 30-minute. If there's no wick, it's gonna drop. Do a little liquidity grab, a little drop. I'll follow the plan, man. The only thing I don't like is if this shit should just go bullish. This black line, yeah, still looks good on a. Just watching this. This is the high. This black line. It might tap 400. But anyways, feeling this black line. There's still nice clean traffic on the 1 hour. Where is it? Yeah. Oh, that's cool. How did I do that? Nice. Okay, on this 1 hour, nothing much there. Okay, watching price. All right. Half risk. You can see it here. Right, 1.24. Entering with half risk, 30-point risk. That could have been the lower wick. The 1 hour. Need at least 30 points. This candle is 156 points. Okay. I just need 30. Right. So now I'm just measuring. If it breaks its high, the next 30-minute candle is 114 points. Or even like 18 points. Okay, now it's 35 points. Right? Previous 5 minutes still moving. Even if I don't take this trade, I'm glad that one, I followed the plan and I held it for 5 minutes. I didn't take the 50 points. I took the full 1-to-1 risk. So I secured the 60-point move. And you know what? This is actually pretty nice because does it show trade level? Yeah, I don't see the trade levels. It's because of the color scheme. But this was pre-planned before, and we secured what I executed on the plan that I wanted. Above, it was an impulse entry, but as I said, it came back down. If it breaks its own current high, this should just take off, which it did. So one thing I like is that this trade, it basically built my confidence. Just using half risk, lesser emotions, but it built my confidence to take these trades. Take these trades that are it should work out. 50 points. It's amazing. Target. So I risked 1.2%. I don't know how much I made, but I made 0.9% of my account, which is fine because I closed 75%. at that level. Previous 5 closed bearish, strong bearish. I really don't know. Well, risking 40 points. I mean, it could go up high 40. I don't know. Right, risking 40 points. 4.8, go 46. You know, but if this 15-minute ends in a small small bearish candle, it's actually not bad. We can continue to execute this trade. Yeah, I mean, look at that. The smaller I make the chart, the better it looks. So yeah, even execute on 30, the 1 hour, stops below this 30. If it breaks this 30, you're clearly done. Well, we want this 5 minutes. We still got 8 minutes left. This is the low of 7.75. Let's see. So now, because I won, I don't even know if this color scheme works. You know, but it helped me a little bit to stay a bit more in tune with my emotions and there you go. So what's the story? The reason why I take this trade is not because of the impulse trade here, because after it broke this, right? If we see on the 1 minute, see that it went up and then yeah, broke up, and within the same minute it sold all the way back down, and it went back up. So the story is, if it breaks its own current high of the 15, which is basically like a 5 minute entry, if you look at it from this point, it should just go up because it already dropped down. People have sold them, they exited their sells, or they whoever wanted to take in buys joined the wave, took part of the buys, and now they're going up. Right? So I mean, from here, if you drop from here, that is a 100-point move. So maybe that is it. Maybe. But if I took that trade, I would have to hold for the 5 minutes, not be scared, and I would have made 80 points. I think the risk was small. The risk would have been, yeah, 45. 45 profits over here. Damn. Should have double click that. So right now, I don't know if this is going to just come back down to support. If it does, it's all good. Only got a 10-cent on, or $10 dollar. I don't know. Yeah, dollar. Ooh. $1 a point. Watch this, you know. I also follow Don Bo, and Raja.
Yeah. Orlando looks a little different.
Okay, so sell stops on gold.
Oh, what I do know, chat, is
Yeah,
you
I like
have a
that
virus
trade.
left here. At that point,
That
you
looks
risk
so
free anyways.
good. Nice wick to drop. Nice bearish volume on gold there to just continue bearish. Here now, this one, dojis. Scary as fuck. Scary, okay. So, we're just wait. You know, I mean, oh. Yeah, we just gonna wait. Um, Thinking now. What do I do if it turns bullish? I think if it turns bullish, yeah, I might actually take it. Uh, just do a 5 point risk. If it turns bullish, doesn't seem like it will, but right, we got 20 seconds. Not gonna take a trade here, even if it flips bullish in the last 10 seconds. 30-minute still forming bearish. Obviously, 1 hour still bearish. 5 minute is undecided. don't know. I'll take it. I'll take the risk. Ugh. You know, it's only 47. I'll probably take a 40 to 45 point risk if it happens. Here, 30 minutes might turn bullish. Okay, good. This is still a half risk. Be conservative, closes at 20. I mean 40 points. 75% of 40 points. If it gets filled. Risk manage, yeah. Because when you look at a 30, this would flip bullish. It already made a lower the wick. 1 hour will also flip bullish. 4 hour can continue. Um, if we look, we'll stick this back to the 15. If you look at trading view, right? So we got tapped in. I just need a 40-point move, okay, which is right here. We got triggered into the buys. Partial take profit is there. Gonna hold for the 5 minutes and see. If I lose, then I lose 250. I end the day negative. It's all good because I follow the plan, man. I follow the plan. Three, 3, 5. Whoops, let's go back to manager trader. There you go. So point of this trade was 30-minute close bullish with no wick. We waited for the wick to come down and it was bearish for like 15 minutes. I think, was it? Yeah. Bearish for 15 minutes, as you can see here, and then it dropped and then it turned bullish. So now we took the trade as a whole. 30-minute turn bullish, 1 hour turn bullish. It just made sense that this could go up. Now if this, I'm already in profit. How many points is this? 21 points. Let's see, can we get the 40? Yeah, this is a 40. I feel like moving stops at entry. What you say? What you mean? Okay, tap it. Let's go. Can we tap it? Please tap it. There, boom. Oh wait, come on. All right, nice. So we are doing amazing. I don't know why this 13. I don't know. I closed 50%, but I don't know what that was. Anyways, all stops are at break even. I'm gonna bring my first trade. Let's try this function. Okay, there. Yeah. You know what? I'm done. This has been an amazing trading day. Um, I don't understand the risk on this, but I closed 120, I think. 0.52, 75% of 3.9. Did it close? Okay, yeah, it did close 3.9. Okay. Anyways, that was a trade. I love it. I love these kind of trades, and these are just like some things that I gotta remind myself, when I have trades. Look at this 4 hour. 4 hours so freaking clean. I'm gonna bring TP, however much this is, and close 50%. 100. Okay, I'll do 150 points. Close 50%. And then I'll add another one just up here because I'm gonna leave this on. I won't even be here anymore. 230 points. 50%. There you go. And ultimately, that's my other TP. For 400 points. There you go. If it happens, it happens. I would get another 120. Otherwise, I don't really care. I secured the 75% that I needed. And I'm just going to document them right now. So kind of confused by this 130 points. I don't know what that is because I asked for 40 points where, right? I entered here. Yeah, I hit 40. 32? Slip? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe some of my settings are messed up, but it's all good. Took the trade that I planned. Go back to the beginning. Um, yeah, man. I should change this. I don't want to see no color. No color anymore. Here we go. Change it to black. All right. Just gonna pause the video and I will be just documenting right now. All right, this is just a check-in. See, my runners are still going. Yeah, my runners are still going. We got some wick rejection. This is a 15-minute, and maybe a rejection. How many points is this for me? 50 points. Maybe a rejection, but we see some weakening. Don't know. 15-minute goes there. You know. Yeah, might get stopped out. It's all good. Right? So just gonna hold for 15 and yeah, we'll see. What, 30-minute? Yeah, basically spinning middle. Ooh, 1 hour closing 30 minutes. Not looking good. Yeah. I mean, okay. Caught a portion of the pie, 4 hour jump, 300 points, and I caught near the end. So not bad. All right, so trade got stopped out. See here, no more positions are open. And Let's go to the screen. Let's move this here. Alright, so there you can see Blueberry Lab account. Profits 260 and 120. So yeah, that's what's up. Made 1.9% today, which is pretty good. My balance going back up. 0.9. Just gonna stick to this. Weekly review has helped me become better. You know, just holding for the 5 minutes, man. I think I got slipped on the first one. I could have made, I think maybe 10 bucks. No, three times 10. No, did I close? Close, yeah, 3.9. So $4. I could have made $40 more. I think I got slipped. Closed at 40, but it closed me at 30, so it's all right. So yeah, good trading day. I might keep this color scheme because, hey man, superstition, good voodoo. Went to neutral colors and I made money. I'll share the link to. It's on my playlist too. All the zone trading stuff, but it's by the moving average. Just give it a shot. Also use half risk, which made me feel a bit better taking that. But increase my confidence, then go full risk on these type of trades and just hold the trade for 5 minutes.